You're not even good. Why are you teeth?
I got this one.
Don't let me know.
I got this one. Where do the goat?
Novoo Pandorahh.
Who's that Pokemon? Yes, sir. And you don't know it's another banger, right? I'm doing a video, ma'am. Eh? Just walk in the frame like that. Don't disrespect me. I want 10,000 likes for a part 2. Right now, I'm at downtown Kingston, you know. And today, I don't know what me I gonna do, you know. Guess what, going? It's really so easy, yeah? And I'm back with the next. Yo! To them at the downtown, you see me I say? I'm gonna stand up as a regular youth and we have action today. Subscribe to our channel, man. Yay! Hey! So action, I gonna dress up like a revivalist, you see me I say? And I'm gonna stand up and she gonna come touch me. And I'm gonna drop down and frat. You see me I say? No, I'm not drop no, cause it's not ready. What I'm saying? You see me I say? People want 10,000 likes for a part 2. Downtown Kingston, we're gonna tear down the place. Subscribe to our channel, now, man. Big up Michael, the new cameraman. Yes, Sonic! Banana chip! I wish bus stay right as a moment. I wish bus 2022. I that got Spanish town? Spanish.
Mental fear.
I'm sure mental. Support the system, dog. Go on hustle, you know? Oh, you're gonna give me back my change. You know see? Yeah, man, come could I get juice and things? Like water, I don't want some water. I'm gonna get a water now. What? What? Here.
Come here to me, young man. Come here to me.
No, why?
Pick up your hat.
Why?
Ted.
Grandma, why she tell me that? Why am I to take off my hat?
Sir, take the hat off and give me.
How am
Planning to do some vicious thing tonight, Scott.
No.
Scott, you're planning to do some vicious
What?
thing
Oh,
tonight.
you know my name. Oh, you know my name.
Scott.
Oh, you know my name.
Scott.
Stop calling out my name now, lady.
Scott.
Stop calling out my name.
Scott, why are you planning to do that tonight, Scott?
Stop calling my name now. I want to them mad woman. Love me now, man.
Hey. Whoa. Whoa. Scott. Scott.
Love me now, man. What should I call my name for?
Scott.
Stop calling my name.
Why you do that to Patricia?
What am I do to Patricia?
Did Patricia give it to you?
Stop calling my name.
Scott, why did you do that to Patricia?
I don't do nothing to Patricia.
Scott, take off a belt. You don't do nothing to Patricia?
No, I'm not do nothing to Patricia.
No, you don't do
Why? Why me can't stop you?
Scott, why you do to Patricia?
I'm not do nothing to Patricia. What I'm tell lady?
Scott.
Love me out now, man.
Scott.
Stop following me up now. If you ever lick me out here.
What you mean if you ever lick you out, Scott? What you do to Patricia?
I'm not do nothing to Patricia.
What did you do to Patricia?
I'm not do nothing to Patricia.
You're not teeth Patricia goat. Why you teeth Patricia goat? Scott, why did you steal Patricia's goat? You're not teeth goat, Scott. Scott, you're not teeth goat. Why you teeth? You're not teeth goat. Scott.
Stop hitting me.
You're not teeth goat, Scott. Scott. Whoa.
What's your know my name? Oh, she know my name.
What's your name? Carmen.
Yeah.
Carmen. Carmen is cheating. Carmen is cheating. Woo. You know Joseph?
I'm a friend.
Jesus. Joseph, are you a friend now?
Yeah.
Woo.
Come for the mommy.
Just relax. Relax.
So she tell me that.
Just relax.
Carmen.
Relax.
Carmen and Joseph.
Just relax.
No, man, I'm nervous.
Yeah, relax. Just relax.
Fire!
Just relax.
I see fire!
Just relax.
Whoa!
Just relax.
Scott!
We are calling him back.
Easy now. Just
Scott!
easy. Just
Scott!
relax.
Fire! Fire in your wires! Scott! Whoa! I see
Don't touch me, no. No. Ah!
Scott, I see ya! Whoa! Fire in your wires.
I'm going to call my wife. Because I
What's your
first
wife's name?
Colleen.
And what she said? She asked about Colleen.
I don't remember.
If you're not a member, you're not a member.
She called your name.
She called my
She
name.
called one other friend and you say, are your friend? Joseph. Joseph, are your friend?
Yeah.
Oh.
So she called my wife's name and my friend Joseph. So my wife I give my bundle to my friend.
They can't assume.
What you mean I can't assume? You know, you should...
The woman that said, I don't want to step for you anywhere.
So my wife I give my bundle to my best friend. Yo, watch me and her, man. I owe me I go right now then, you know.
The woman never said, never hear the
What you
woman
mean?
say,
She
the
just
woman
said she
say,
called my best friend name and now she called my wife's name. I'm fire and a wire. I'm give her fire and her wire. Everything good, man. So my fire can't please her wire. Everything good, man.
No, sir.
No, I really, and you not tell me why no auntie. You keep it a secret, auntie.
What you say?
Oh, she not gone. I'm saying she don't have mother.
I'm afraid her a yard me I go. Afraid, we all laugh, I'm afraid. No, once she tell me about my best friend and my wife, two of them I move close from what you know.
Aye.
I wonder why, you know.
So you see them?
Them a go on lunch date and business. And him a give her fire in her wire, yo. Everything good, man. Mommy, you not tell me why, you know.
Tell you say.
The woman don't go step for you in your way.
Wire. Ask you if you know Joseph and you say yes, and I ask you if you know Colleen and you say yes.
Yeah, my wife named Colleen.
God, don't you know all of them? The woman that she can't see them. She can't see. She can't see and she call all him name, everything. Like,
I don't know her.
he don't know I just pass the woman apart and him stand up here and the woman say, oi, come here. And hold up on him and say, your name so, your name so, who name so, your woman name Colleen, where, fire in your wire.
What you say? Take a lime and wipe off my hand. Just drop, dog. Just drop.
One woman touch my man, just drop on ground.
Them say one woman come touch me.
I thought one wife and thing and thing.
Just say about your wife. Them I say, where you know my wife?
I don't know, dog.
The spirit of God is real.
It's the spirit of God, real.
So we should know that. We should call on my business.
Yeah, me said the spirit of God is real. You know, so the woman approach you.
Approach, you know my Father God I know. You know my Father God I show you say. You know my Father God I show you say. Father God I prove to who say the woman that to show you say him real. And that God I do you know. I prove God I prove to who to show who say you
Yeah. Yo, she know my name, yo.
So how she know your name?
I don't know. Somebody tell her. Who tell her?
So how somebody will tell her and nobody else. So she
We don't know what your name of the woman says.
Stop saying. Something for do. One time. Something for the go home. Stony Hill.
Stony Hill, sir. Stony Hill, do it. No, look at you have to talk the truth.
Why you steal the goat?
Why you keep the goat?
I'm not no money.
You have to look walk.
You man leave me.
Thief!
See again.
Stop thief! Stop thief, Scott! Stop thief!
Don't let me now.
You gonna stop thief?
Yeah.
When you gonna stop?
No. Stop letting me now.
You care about the goat?
Yeah.
When you gonna carry back?
No, me on that woman. Give me back my belt.
The things that we have planned for you tonight. What you plan for you tonight?
No.
Scott, what you plan for you tonight, Scott?
No.
Scott,
Thief.
what you plan for you tonight?
Thief.
I'm a top thief! Tell her!
Yeah. Yeah.
What you plan for thief tonight, Scott?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
You care about the goat them?
Yeah.
When you carry them back?
Today.
And what you plan for thief tonight?
More good.
Scott,
Stop letting me now.
Scott,
Stop letting me.
Scott!
Stop letting me.
Scott!
Stop letting me. Stop letting.
Stop thief! Stop thief! Stop thief! Stop!
Don't touch me.
What you mean don't?
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Stop thief! You gonna stop thief?
Yeah.
I don't want to do anything to you, Scott.
No.
Scott, I don't want to do anything else to you.
Yeah.
I don't want to read up you no more,
Sorry.
Scott.
I'm
I
sorry.
don't want to read up you anymore,
Sorry.
Scott.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. You go walk, you go apologize to Patricia
Yeah.
for thieving her goat and raping her goat.
Yeah.
You hear me?
Yeah.
You hear me?
Yeah.
You gonna stop rape goat?
Yeah.
When you gonna stop rape goat? When you gonna stop rape goat?
Today.
Today?
Yeah.
You gonna apologize to Patricia for
Yeah.
raping her goat?
Yeah.
What you gonna tell Patricia say? What you gonna tell Patricia?
Say that I'm sorry.
For what?
Everything.
What you do to our goat? What you do to our goat? What tell them what you do to your goat?
Don't let me know. Don't let me know. Don't let me know.
What you do to your goat?
Where do the goat?
I'm not doing nothing to the goat. I'm not doing nothing.
You don't rap the goat.
Why you gonna tell them that?
You don't rap the goat. Tell them so you rap the goat.
Yo, kill him, and the goat that thief down.
Yo,
Tell
yo.
them so you rap the goat.
Yo, kill him, both. Yo, go, go.
Stop rape. Stop thief and rape goat. What to vagina? Huh? What happened to vagina?
Yo, what you having? What?
Stop rape. What you gonna tell Patricia say? What you gonna tell Patricia?
Yo, don't let me know.
What happened to vagina?
Yo, you got
What happened to vagina?
Hold on, Panny Wood. Yo, you got viral, man. No worry.
What happened to vagina?
Mine damage me now.
What happened to vagina?
Mine damage me.
Want me to squeeze a seed?
Mine damage
Want
me.
me to squeeze a seed?
No.
Huh? You want me to?
Yo. My best friend I give my wife it. So my wife I give my bun with my best friend. Yo, was my reach home, man. Yeah.
I should tell him when you are a friend.
Yeah, but I'm a best friend. How should I do that, yo? I'm a best friend, that you know.
No, but she not say them dead. She not say them dead.
What you mean? She said fire and a wire. What that mean?
Maybe a fire will get you out or something. I don't know.
A wicked piece of girl then, you know. How should I do that with my best friend, yo?
When she drop your stuff, she run, you know. You see when she drop your stuff? Run out the fire and you wire.
Young girl, yeah, go around the park a couple times. And a white, and a colored belt. Yellow and red and them green.
You may say no people. You may say people is a social experiment, you see it?
Social experiment.
Yeah. For to see how people that really react for certain cases like this. If something like that happen, we'd see if we'd question it or believe it. You see me? So it's not real. It's pretending, you see it? No, Grams, you not hear me. Everything is an act. You see me? I say it's pretending. You see it? Some just want to say, oh, for demons. All I want to get pranked. Gotta walk, couldn't see it? Oh, you feel it. You feel it. Yeah. All you, man, say general, all long, yeah, all have the goat.
Yeah. You done the girl action from Action Comedy. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. You feel me? And we need 20,000 likes to that video.
Whoa.
20,000. I'm telling you.
And
Where you
again,
go
again.
now? 120.
Whoa.
You see me have to go on like me Obia woman. I don't know one thing about Obia. Yeah, I'm telling you, my boy frat and all them something. They talk to me nice.
Subscribe to your channel,
Yeah,
man.
I tell them already. Subscribe to my channel, please.
Don't attack.
Could you guys please go over to Action Comedy and like, share, submit, and subscribe? Thank you.
Come on, she deserve it, man. You know, she work for it. Yo, me I sweat like crazy. The whole town tear up, you see it? So gotta walk with you, Shana can't for. Yeah. Yo, right now people are looking like crazy, but I just say it go. We in your town next in the car. Kingston ain't no joke again. My
Feel
face
me?
is Mark, yeah? So come on, get our 20,000 likes, no man. Share it. Put it on the story. Instagram at Troubling TV. Follow our Instagram, no man.
Action Comedy.
Subscribe to our channel because you deserve it, people.
I don't
Me
know
I
some
sweat
of
like crazy. No much
Not
time
to
my job.
mention me.
The bloopers I got up on Novoo Pandorahh. I don't know if everything I got up on that channel. Yeah. Subscribe to Novoo Pandorahh. Subscribe to the vlog channel at Run So Easy Vlog. Gotta walk, gotta talk. Big up to Michael because him catch a visual then. Yo, him catch it. Big up yourself. You don't know? Yo, son! Novoo youth!
Pandorahh!
Wow.